I'm out in the shop and I'm making a project, and well, I needed to cut a board, and I was going to cut it, and I started to grab the little skill saw to cut it. And I said, what am I doing? I got my tools where I can get to them now. I can start working out here. Let's go. RPM, diesel controller, that's all your power amp and everything, watt, and how much voltage you can from the whole 9 yards. And if you flip the switch that way, it'll run backwards, but I don't want to do it because it'll throw that belt off. Anyway, that's what that does, because you hook it up over there, it runs that saw. I got my board. Let me see if I can make something out of it. That'll be good. Get it back work. It's not perfect, but it's getting there. Picture number 1 of it, got it. Guys, I'm working on my project over here, and I'm getting these lights close together so they'll light bright. So you see how far they are apart? I wouldn't have but like 8 lights across there if I done it that way. So this is the way I'm doing it. Watch. Take it and fold it. Get you a dab of hot glue, put right there. Take this little thing right here and use it where you don't get yourself burnt. Push it down and stick it right beside that other one and mash it. That's what you do. That's how you get a lot of light in a whole lot better space. We got it. Now what I'm working on, I'll show you later. I'm still in it.